Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Bagunara to everyone. How are you doing? Great. Munchie at home. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm good, beta. Subhodayam, namaskaram, namaste. Hi for everyone. I have noticed one thing, you guys take little time to come into the class since you guys are taking the class from the home also. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Now, before I start the today's class, let me ask you guys what we have studied yesterday. Until that, more members will also come. Until then, tell me what we have studied yesterday. Namaste, beta. What we have studied yesterday? Tell me. Differentiation. Formula of differentiation. Very good. Formula of differentiation. Formula of differentiation. Very good. So I hope the formula that I taught you yesterday was easy and you were able to solve the problem based upon those particular formula, right? Now, today we are going to do one more thing, more question based upon that. So let's do that. We are going to do that now. More question and more formulas based on that what we have studied yesterday, right? So you'll get more understanding of it. So what do you guys think? Differentiation difficult or easy? What do you guys think? Is differentiation easy or difficult? Easy, right? Till so far you guys are to feeling like that it is easy, right? So now here I'm going to write some more say whatever the formula that we have studied yesterday, we are going to apply that when you'll be having addition or subtraction kind of formulas are there. So now today we are going to do more formulas of differentiation. So for example, you are having situation like this. The formula is something like this. If like you have studied in your lower classes, for example, if some number 5 into a plus b, if I'm multiplying this number to this, so what happened? This 5 get multiplied to both a as well as b, so it becomes 5a plus 5b. It becomes something like this, right? But here what we are going to do, here we are not going to multiply 5 with a and b. Here we are having the factor is differentiation like this, d of dx, and let's say you are having two another functions, for example a plus b, right? Like yesterday we have written only single y was here. Now here what is there? A and b also there, right? So that is why what will happen, like I have given the example of 5 into a plus b. So in similar manner, this differential operator, this is my differential operator. This differential operator is going to apply on a as well as b, right? Like I have given you example of 5. If you are having 5, that will become 5a plus 5b. In similar manner, this will become d by dx of a plus d by dx of b, or here c can also be there, d can also be there, So it will continue. It will continue as much as plus minus sign is there. Okay, fine. So here you are having only plus sign. Here you are only having plus sign. If I'm having minus sign also, what will happen then? If I'm having minus sign also, so instead of plus, here I will write minus. So that is why I have written plus minus sign together, right? I hope you are not confused with it. And more clarity you will get. Okay, but a and b are not constants. A or b, again some functions I have assumed, right? So I will take an example here. Once I will take the example, only then you guys will understand it, right? Or if somebody doesn't want to write a and b, we can write it u or v. You guys can also write it u and b. If you are not comfortable with, you can write it u and b. That will be more effective for you guys, I hope, because some student will say, sir, it could be constant also, u and b. Don't worry, when I will ask the question, you will come to know. Okay, very simple question I will start. Let me ask you guys very simple question. D by dx of x square plus x power 3 by 2. The most easiest I have asked you guys. Tell me beta, what will be its answer? What will be its answer? What will happen to it? Solve it and tell me the answer. X square plus x power 3 by 2. So what will happen? This will become d by dx, right? This differential operator I have to multiply to this first x square, first to x square. So this will become like this. Okay, sir. Plus, again this differential operator I have to apply to whom? X power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2. Until then, now yesterday I have told you. Yesterday I have taught you, when you are having a general formula of, what was the formula beta? D by dx of x power n. What was the formula? N comes forward and you have to subtract how much from n? You have to subtract minus 1. This was the formula. I hope you guys remember this formula. Very good. So many members have answered already correctly. 2x plus. Very good. So many members have already answered it correctly. Very good. So answer will be very simple. It will become 2x. Okay. Power will come forward. Today I will not write it in so brief, because yesterday we have done so many questions based on this. So that is why for x square I will write 2 will come forward, 2x, and from power how much I have to subtract beta? I have to subtract 1. So that is why it will become 1. So I'm not writing power 1. Plus here power is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 will come forward. X, from power how much I have to subtract? Minus 1. I hope you remember this. So answer will become 2x plus 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2. This is the differentiation of this function, right? So shall I ask one more question from you guys? One more question from you guys. Next question. Next question will be something like this. D by dx of x cube minus 3x square plus 6. Tell me the differentiation of this. Everyone solve it. Sorry, here I have written wrong. It is dx. It is dx. Tell me everyone, what will be the answer? Tell me beta, this question answer, x cube minus 3x square plus 6. What will be this question answer? 3x square minus 6x plus 0. 3x square minus 6x. Very good, very good, very good. So many members are solving. Everyone is giving answer. Very good, very good. Everyone is capable to do the questions. Very good, very good. So what do we have to do? In 2-3 question, beta, I will do it in a proper elaborative manner. As we will move further, I will stop writing it in so much elaborative manner. For example, I am multiplying this differential to x cube. I will reduce the steps in next questions. So what will happen here? Differentiation of this differential will multiply to x cube, then minus differentiation of whom? 3x square, and then differentiation of whom? D by dx of whom? 6. So what answer you will get here, beta? What is the differentiation of x cube you will get? Power will come forward 3, and from power how much I have to subtract? 1. So it will be 3x square. Then from x square, 3 cannot do anything, constant will come out 3. What is the differentiation of x square? It will be 2x. What will be the differentiation of constant? 0. So what is the answer I will get in this question? 3x square minus 6x. This much easy the differentiation questions are. I hope this is also clear to everyone. Very good. Next question. So if you practice as much as question only, then you guys will be comfortable. So let me ask you guys next question. D by dt of t square minus 3t plus 5t. Why I have asked? Because this time I have changed the variable. Because this time I have changed the variable, beta. So the variable you will be having right now, what is the variable you are having right now? Just see. Tell me the answer. What will be the answer for this? Sorry. This is only like this. T square minus 3t plus 5. T square minus 3t plus 5. Similar kind of question. Instead of x, this time what is the variable, beta, we are having? X. X is the variable. Very good. Beta, this is 3. Why everyone is writing 2 this? So answer will comes out to be, what is the differentiation of t square? It will be 2t. Since, can I write directly? Okay. This is the last question where I am writing it like this. D by dt first get multiplied to t square. Next step, beta, minus d by dt to whom? 3t. Next step, plus d by dt to whom? 5. Then what is the next step? T square differentiation will comes out to be, it will be 2t. Power will come forward and subtract 1 from there. Minus, what is the differentiation? Now since 3 is constant, it will come out. And what is the differentiation of t? Differentiation of t will be 1. And then plus, what is the differentiation of constant? 0. So what is the answer you are getting? 2t minus 3. I hope this is also clear to everyone. Very good, very good, very good. Everyone is answered correctly. So now I am going to increase the level of the question a little bit. Shall I increase? The same question, beta, that I have discussed yesterday, same question I will be utilizing here again and again, right? Very good. Next question you are having like this. D by dx of x cube minus 2 by root x plus cube root of x. Let's see whether you guys will be able to answer or not. Tell me, beta, this question answer. What will be this question's answer? A little bit difficult question now. Tell me this question answer. Tell me, beta, what will be this question answer? This time it is a good question. So you have to write it what? D by dx 3x square plus 3 by root 2. Okay, I'll remove this one. It has become a little bit difficult for you. Slowly we'll increase the level. First solve this. Only two parts you are having. Solve this. So what can I write? It will be d by dx of x cube, right? This will be d by dx of x cube. In next step, what do we have to do? In next step, we have to write it like this: minus 2 constant, and whose differentiation will happen here? Whose differentiation will be there? Only root x. And for root x, according to the formula that I have taught you yesterday, only your x will give the answer when it is in the numerator. So it will become x power what? X power you will be having minus 1 by 2. Now you have to solve these two differentiation. So then what is the answer you will get, beta? What is the differentiation of x cube you will be having? It will be 3x square. It will be 3x square. And for this, minus 2 into, what will happen to the minus this power? What will happen to this power? It will come in the forward like this, minus 1 by 2, and x power subtract 1. So what is the final answer you guys are getting? 3x square, 2 cancel, and minus plus will be x power minus 3 by 2. Or I can write 3x square plus, this will come in the down, and I can write it 1 upon cube root of x. I can write it cube root of x. Either this will be the answer or this will be the answer. Or you can also write it like this: x power 3 by 2. X power 3, sorry, ulta likh diya, galat likh diya. What is the answer? This is the correct answer. X power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2. Or if you want to write it, it will be, or we can also write it, or so many or is coming here. 3x square plus 1 upon x cube and root of x cube. This is the answer you are getting. I hope this is clear to everyone. This is clear to everyone. What is the answer we are getting here from these situations in differentiation? I hope this is clear to everyone. Very good, very good. Shall I ask one more similar kind of problem, then we'll go to the next one? Okay, I hope these kind of problems are enough to you. How to solve these kind of problems. Next beta we are having. Now this was about the addition and subtraction, right? Now what will happen if we are having multiplication and division? If let's say the scenario is something like this. Next formula you are having for whom? Next formula we are going to study for whom? For your multiplication. Let's say this time two functions are there, u dot b. Let me give you an example before you ask the question. This is how the problem: x into x square into x cube plus 1. For example, this is the question to you. Whose differentiation you want to find? Whose differentiation you want to find? X square and x cube plus 1. So this is u variable and this is v variable. Two variables we are having here. So here two variables you are having here. So that is why how we will solve these two variables. So please try to remember the formula. What is the formula we are having? This is the formula we are having. What is the formula we are having? This is the formula. Listen the formula carefully. Let's say this is function number 1. I'm saying it as a function number 1. And this is your function number 2. This is your function number 2. Now, how do we remember this formula? How I remember from when I started studying, like you guys, same way I am telling you, this is the way. First function as it is. It is like a kind of rhythm. It is a kind of rhythm. So you have to say first function as it is. What is first function? U. First function as it is into differentiation of second function. Into differentiation of second function. So what is the name of it? First function as it is into differentiation of second function plus first function as it is into differentiation of second function plus, now reverse thing, second function as it is into differentiation of first function. This is the formula for multiplication. This is the formula for multiplication. If two variables are getting multiplied, this is the formula. First function, second function, first function as it is into differentiation of second function plus second function as it is into differentiation of first function. Now let's jump to the one problem so that you guys will be able to do. Very simple question I will ask from you guys. Very simple question on the basis of this. D by dx of, you are having two functions like this. One is x square. One is x square. And another one you are having x root x plus 1, let's say. Okay, first we will try to do simple. X plus 1. How to solve it? To see how to solve this kind of question here in multiplication, very simple. Very simple, these multiplication kind of questions we are having. Or if this could be easily done by multiplication method, instead of doing that, I will change the question to this. I will make a new question out of it. Let's say x square plus 3. Now you will find more difficulty. Earlier question we can do with the previous method also. Now in this question, how to do multiplication? Because here how many function I am having? Two function. One is this and another one is this. So what do I have to do, beta? This is the first function and this is your second function. I'm calling it as u and I'm calling it as b. So what was the formula we are having? What was the formula? See, u db by dx plus b du by dx, or the way of pronouncing it, first function as it is. First function as it is. What is the first function? X square plus 3. What is my first function? X square plus 3 into differentiation of second function. Into differentiation of second function. What is the second function I am having, beta? X plus 1. X plus 1 plus second function as it is. What is my second function, beta? X plus 1. X plus 1 into differentiation of first function. What is my first function, beta? What is my first function here? X square plus 3. So my first function is x square plus 3. Done. Now in next step, what do we have to do here? We have to solve it like this. X square plus 3 into differentiation of this. So what will be that? Now this time we will not write in elaborative manner. This is the time here we have already solved so many problems. So tell me the differentiation of x, beta. Everyone tell me the differentiation of x. Differentiation, when this differentiation of x will be 1. What is the differentiation of 1? Plus 0, right? So this particular fragment has got solved. This particular fragment has got solved. I hope you understood this because we have already done problem based on it. Plus x plus 1 as it is. Now whose the differentiation we have to do? What will be the differentiation of x square? What will be the differentiation of x square? It will be 2x. What will be the differentiation of 3? Plus 0. So what is the final answer I am getting here? If I solve it, it will be x square plus 3 plus multiply this here. So I am getting 2x square plus 2x. So what is the answer I am getting? 2x square, 3x square plus 2x plus 3. This is the rule of multiplication. So I hope this is also very easy to you. You guys are finding it easy. I hope so. Not too much difficult. Here is the game of, remembering from the first class. Yesterday I've started the first class of differentiation. Step by step problems I have, bring here. So that the moment you have solved the problems, you get to know. In similar manner, here also the same thing happened. It is like this differentiation of x plus 1. We have already solved addition, right? Addition. So that is why here we have directly written. Not elaborative manner, we have solved it, right? Okay. Now in next question, I'll ask one more question based on it. Let's see whether you guys are able to solve or not. Let's do the one more question. Question number 2 you are having. The question number next you are having something like this. X square plus 2x into x square minus 1. Find the differentiation of this, beta. Find the differentiation of this. Everyone try to solve it. It looks very big in number, but once you know the concept, automatically answer comes out. Automatically answer comes out. So don't worry. Just try to solve it. Just try to solve it. I will also solve. You will solve in your notebook. Same steps you have to follow. The steps that I have taught you guys. The very first step, assume it to be first function. This is my first function. What will be this? This is my second function. And next step, we know what do we have to do? Write the formula. What is the formula we are having? First function as it is. First function as it is into differentiation of second function plus second function as it is into differentiation of first function. This is the formula we are having. Just bring the values and put here. I have mentioned here. This is my u. This is my v. Just put the value here and you will start getting the answer. Okay. You also do at your home. I'll be solving it on the board. Let's see whether I'll get the answer or not. Okay. The first function will be what? First function my x square plus 2x. And then next we will be having v. What is my v? It will be x square minus 1 plus what is my v again? X square minus 1 into differentiation of first function. What is my first function? X square plus 2x. Then what is the next step we have to do? You have to just solve it now. So x square plus 2x into what is the differentiation of x square minus 1? X square minus 1, it will be 2x and minus 0. Because 1 is constant, x square differentiation will be 2x. 1 differentiation will be 0. And we are not differentiating this. You can see here in the formula, only whom we are differentiating? dv by dx. Here whom we are differentiating? This is the way of, this is the formula of differentiation in multiplication form. Right? Plus x square minus 1 into, what will be the differentiation of beta x square? X square differentiation will be 2x. Similarly, what will be the differentiation of 2x? What will be the differentiation of 2x? Plus 2. I hope till here to everyone it is clear. I hope till here to everyone it is clear. After that, we need not to solve. If you guys have solved, very good. And if you guys want me to solve, it will become very lengthy, right? So our purpose is not to get the final answer. Our purpose is only here to learn here. So if you have got the answer till here, that is also correct. After that, we have to solve it, and that is not required. You need to solve only when this kind of question is coming in the exam, and these kind of question does not come, right? This is just for practice purpose. Whether you are understanding the multiplication, only the game is to make you remember this formula. Here, why we are teaching is this, because this formula sometimes get utilized. It doesn't mean that every time these kind of problems will come. These problems are just to practice the formula, whether we are understanding or not. I hope you understand the formula. So similarly, multiplication part has got over. Now, let's focus to one more. Let's focus to one another formula that we are having is for division. The next mathematical formula we are having is division. Next mathematical formula we are having division, right? So the division formula is something like this: d by dx of u divided by v, right? This time d by dx u divided by b, again u by b came. So again here, now everyone has their own way of telling the formula, remembering the formula. How do I tell my students? Because from my school days, I remember it in the way of first function and second function. For you, I usually call first function. For we, I call second function. So multiplication and division are a little bit reverse to each other. Like there, if you notice the multiplication formula, here it was u dbx, first function as it is, but here it is reverse of it. So reverse will be what? Reverse will be second function as it is into differentiation of first function. There it was first function, here it is reverse. Here it is reverse. So what is the reverse you are having? Second function as it is into differentiation of first function. Above, what was the sign? Plus. So again reverse, so it will be negative sign here. There is no logic of this. This is just my way of remembering. Formulas, how to make you remember for longer period of time. So some logic you have to set in your brain. In similar manner, I am setting a logic that I have just reversed it with the multiplication. What was the formula for multiplication? For division, it will be reverse of it. So reverse, there it was first function as it is, here second function as it is. Second function as it is into differentiation of first minus now first function as it is into differentiation of second function. To completely reverse of the multiplication, but there is one extra thing which is not in the multiplication, only in the division, that you have to divide by second function square, v square. This is the formula beta for the division 1. This is the formula for the division 1. I hope this is clear to everyone. Division is clear to everyone. Formula, let's start utilizing this formula. And those who directly want to mug it up, their choice. This is my way of remembering, I have told you. Now I will ask very simple question based on it. Let's see whether you guys are able to answer or not. D by dx of x plus 5 divided by x minus 3. Everyone, use this formula. Try to use this formula. Here, assume u and b and try to tell the answer. What will be your u? What will be your v? what will be your u? So I'm assuming this to be what? U. I'm assuming this to be u. What I'm assuming this to be? V. This is my V and this is my U, right? This yellow encircled I have just done to make you understand that this is my U, this is my V. So now what is the formula I'm having? This is the formula. Just start putting the values, beta. So what is my V here? What is my V? X minus 3. Put here x minus 3. V will be what? Second function is what? X minus 3 into differentiation of first function. What is my first function, beta? What is my first function? X plus 5. What is my first function? X plus 5. Very good. Next, minus first function as it is. So what is my first function? X plus 5 into differentiation of second function. What is my second function? X minus 3. And in the last, in the denominator, we have to divide it by what? V square. V is what? X minus 3 whole square. So try to solve it. What answer you guys will get? Try to solve it. What answer you guys will get out of it? So this will be x minus 3. Next you'll be having d by dx. Sorry. What is the differentiation of x plus 5, beta? What is the differentiation of x plus 5 we are having? X differentiation will be 1. What is the differentiation of 5 we are having? 0. Differentiation of 5 will be 0 minus x plus 5 into, what is the differentiation of x we are having? Differentiation of x will be 1. What is the differentiation of 3? 0. Divided by what? X minus 3 whole square. Then what is the answer you will get? So final answer will get x minus 3, and this will become minus of x minus of 5 divided by x minus 3 whole square. So minus minus cancel. So the final answer you are getting minus 8 divided by x minus 3 whole square. I hope everyone is getting this answer. Everyone is getting this answer. So beta, easy or difficult? Till so far, give me thumbs up if you are comfortable in differentiation. Is there any rocket science in differentiation? It is the steps. It is just the steps. If you know the steps, you will be comfortable. If you don't know the steps, then it will be little bit difficult. In physics, the best part is that if you don't know the lower ladders, in physics is just like step by step rising from lower ladder, then lower steps, upper steps, upper steps, upper step. When you will reach to the upper steps, the lower steps are required over there. Lower steps knowledge is required there. So that is why you should know the previous things that we have discussed. Interlinked. Physics is interlinked. This happens in everywhere. And whatever the formulas that I'm teaching here, this is not the maths which is required for NEET. This is required in the physics when we'll be teaching you physics, right? So I hope this is clear to everyone. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now we are going to, beta, limits we don't use in differentiation. Limits we use in the integration. So integration we will start on the Thursday. Tomorrow also differentiation will completed. Tomorrow differentiation will get completed, and on Thursday we are going to start the integration. There is the limits. Somebody is saying limits are given for the variables, not here. Fine. So now let's start. Now there are some another functions you are having. So now formula of differentiation for trigonometric, logarithmic, comma, exponential functions. So now beta we are having another type of functions. Up to your 10th class you have studied trigonometry, sine theta, cos theta, right? Those kind of functions you have already studied in your trigonometry. There are new kind of functions, some we call it as log, and there is another function we are having that is exponential, right? What these functions are, not too much in general we have to require, only their formula is required, right? So I am going to write the formula of the differentiation for these, and we will do first. I'm going to write the formula. There is no logic for it. You just have to remember these formulas, and these formulas we will use to do the questions. So that is why everyone listen carefully. So the very first differentiation that you have to remember is the differentiation of sine x. The differentiation of sine x. So what is the differentiation of sine x beta we are having? Very simple, cos x. No logic, you just have to remember. So this is the differentiation of sine x. Next you will be having, somebody will ask, sir, what is the differentiation of cos x? Differentiation of cos x. So the differentiation of cos x is minus sine x. I'm again repeating this again. See, I can take so many ticks I can give on it, these two especially. These are the most commonly used differentiations in your 2-year tenure of physics that you will study, whether it is chemistry, whether it is physics. So many times this can be utilized anywhere. So that is why these two formulas you have to remember, and very easy to remember: sine differentiation cos and cos differentiation sine with a negative sign. Only student confused. Everyone remembers sine and cos and sine, but the problem with the sine, with whom negative sign? Cos. I can write the rest trigonometric function. I will write other trigonometric functions differentiation. That is not useful, not too much useful. You can say 1% useful. This is 99% useful, but still those differentiations are there. So just leave it in your notes. If any time it is required, we can also tell you, or you can just keep it in your notes. Need not to remember secant square x, right? In similar manner, another trigonometric function we are having is cot x. So cot x will be minus cosecant square x. And then next you will be having, these are not that much important, need not to remember. Fifth one you are having d by dx of, next you will be having, पहले कौन आता है? Secant x. So this will be secant x tan x, and then d by dx of cosecant x. There is a tricks to remember. If you would have been a student of क्या बोलते हैं उसे, mathematics, then this is very important. In physics only two are required. So this will be minus cosecant x cot x. This is the formula of it. Okay, so now these are the formulas based on the trigonometry. I have told you which I am going to use again and again. These rest for whenever, first of all, it is so very rare used in physics, but whenever it is required, then your teacher will let you know what is the differentiation of this. But this your teacher can ask from you, that at any time you should remember, not difficult to remember. Very good. Next you are having one more here differentiation. There is a function name is log. Now you will ask, sir, what is log? There is nothing, its symbol is, if somebody will ask you log, And actually this is a chemistry topic in 12th class where you will study when you will become senior. This is the way of writing log. Some log wogs kind of situation is there. Its formula is 1 by x. Only this is the thing that you have to remember. Nothing else you have to remember. Log e x is equal to 1 by x. The next we'll be having differentiation d by dx of, there is another function ex, exponential. So its answer comes out to be ex. So it is very easy to remember, ex. So these are the, I'm telling you again, how much you have to remember, 1, 2, and what is the another thing that you have to remember, these two, 7th and 8th one. So here these are highly utilized. These are, let's say 50-50. Here 90-90, 99%, 99%. These are to never used in neat physics. Let's say this third can be utilized only 1% if it is. So I hope now, can we do the problem based on it? Formulas are done. Can we do the problem based on it? Very good. Let's start doing the problem based on it. I hope this is clear to everyone. Very good. Very good. Now next we are going to do some question based upon it. Let's say somebody is asking this differentiation. Tell me the differentiation of sine of 4x. If somebody will ask differentiation of sine 4x from us, what answer I will give? So beta, listen, this is totally new for you. Now if you see the standard formula, if you see, compare this with this, what is the difference between two? Here the angle, what is the angle of the sine here? The angle of the sine here is x. What is the angle of sine here, beta? 4x. What is the angle of the sine here? 4x. What is the angle here? X. What is here? 4x. So how we will get this kind of questions answer? Now there is a little catch over here that you have to listen very, very carefully. What is the catch here? Please listen it carefully. There is a small catch here. There is an extra step that is involved. Very first step, we know what is the differentiation of sine. The differentiation of sine is cos. So it will become cos of 4x. Then what is the difference between sine x and sine 4x? Differentiation can't be same. So the catch here, what you have to do, after this answer, you have to multiply with the differentiation of the angle. What is the total angle of your, what is the angle of this sine here? 4x. So that is why you have to re-differentiate. Differentiation of sine I got, beta, cos 4x. But what is the differentiation of 4x I will get? So I have to write differentiation of 4x. So what is the final answer I will get? Tell me everyone, what is the differentiation of 4x? What is the differentiation of 4x I will get? Since 4 is constant, x differentiation 1. So I am getting answer, cos of 4x was already there, and differentiation of 4x, so 4 I am multiplying here. This is the differentiation of sine 4x. This is the differentiation of sine 4x. What I did, first step, again I am repeating. I will ask more problems, so don't worry. You'll get to know. Differentiation of sine, cos. First step. Now next step, to check the angle. Since the angle here is 4x, redifferentiated 4x, 4 came out, and the differentiation of x is 1. Now somebody can say, sir, I can also do the same step here. I can do the same step here, d by dx. What is the angle here? Here the angle is only x. What is the answer I am getting here? 1. So actually redifferentiation is also happening here, but it is not visible. Why? Because the answer is coming 1. So when the angle is x everywhere, the same redifferentiation is happening everywhere. But I am getting answer 1 here. So that is why nobody write here it. But when we come to know it is actually there, and when we come to know it is actually there, when the angle is not x. Angle could be 2x, 3x, 4x, something different. So very simple. What is the step? First step, same. Additional step, redifferentiation. Whose redifferentiation, beta? Angle redifferentiation. And you know the differentiation of simple things. So I'll ask one more question. Tell me the next question answer, beta, everyone. Question number 2, you are having d by dx of cos of 5x or 6x. Very simple. I have asked you guys, tell me the answer of cos 6x. Tell me. Cos of 6x. What will be the answer of cos of 6x? Very good. Minus 6 sin x, 6x. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. 6 minus sin x, minus 6 sin x, minus 6 sin x, minus 6 sin x, minus 6 sin 6x, sorry, minus 6 sin 6x, minus 6 sin 6x. Very good. Everyone understood. Very good, students. So what will happen, beta? First step, cos differentiation minus sine. Cos differentiation minus sine. What was the angle? 6x. This portion done. First step done. Still angle is what? 6x. So I have to redifferentiate the angle. What is my angle? 6x. So what is the answer I will get? What is the answer of this particular 6x I will get? 6 will come out and x differentiation will be 1. What is the answer I'll get? I will get this answer minus 6 sine 6x. Very good. Okay, one more question. One more question I will ask. Question number 3. d by dx of sine of 4x plus 3. Now tell the answer. The angle is sine 4x plus 3. Tell me this question answer. Sine 4x plus 3. Everyone tell me the answer fast. Very good. 5 cos. 5 कैसे बेटा? How? 4 cos 4x plus 3. 4 sin 4x plus 3. 4 cos 4x plus 3 minus 4 cos 4x plus 3. Very good. Very good. So many members are getting correct answer. So many members are getting correct answer. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So what is going to happen here? If you see here, the differentiation of sine will comes out to be first step. What is the first step, beta? The differentiation of sine will be what? Cos. Right? First step to standard 4x plus 3. Now since angle is not x, so what do I have to do? Redifferentiate. To multiply d by dx of what is my angle here? 4x plus 3. So what is the answer I will get now? That is why I have told you first class is very important. And today's class, this is addition. It is itself a differentiation that I have taught you today. What is the differentiation of 4x I will get? 4. And when this differential will multiply to 3, what answer I will get? 0. So that is why if I solve 4x plus 3, the differentiation of 4x plus 3 directly 4. So I will get the answer. I will get 4 cos of, 4 cos of 4x plus 3. This is the final answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Very good. Similarly, if somebody is asking question of this, question number 4, if somebody is asking question like this, d by dx of e power 5x, tell me beta, same logic, tell me the answer of this question. Tell me answer of this question. Try to solve. Same logic. What will be this question answer? 5e power 5x. Yes, correct. Because again, if you see the standard formulas, in standard formulas, beta, what was the power I was having? Only x, right? Only x. What is the power here now? What is the power here? 5. So what do I have to do? If the power is something like this, I have to do this. I have to do this. What is the first step is same. What is the differentiation of e power 5x? E power 5x. In next step, power is x? No, power is 5x. So I have to do redifferentiation. What do I have to do? D by dx of 5x. So what is the answer I will get? I will get this answer, beta. What is the differentiation of 5x? 5. So 5 here, e power 5x. This is it. Right? Very easy. Okay, shall I ask one more? Let's see whether you're able to solve or not. So many easy questions in differentiations are there. And these, actually we are not studying math here. We are studying math which is required in the physics. E power 2x plus 3. Similar kind of question, very easy. Everyone will be able to solve. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Tell me answer of this, beta. Very good, very good, very good. Tell me the answer of this. What answer you guys will get? What is the answer you guys will get? Very good, very good, very good, very good. So the final answer, first step is standard. First step is standard. What is the differentiation of this? E power 2x plus 3 into redifferentiation of what is my power? 2x plus 3. So what is the final answer I'll get? What is the differentiation of 2x? 2. Differentiation of 3 will be what? 0. So what is my final answer? 2 into e power 2x plus 3. Right? I hope this is clear to everyone. Shall I ask one question based on log? Okay. We are having this question number 6. D by dx of log 5x minus 4. Tell me the answer of this. What is the answer I will get, beta? Log e 5x minus 4. What is the answer I will get? Tell me, everyone. Very easy question. Very easy question we are having. Tell me the answer of this. Very good, very good. So again, what is the, like sine and cos having angle? This is the angle of log. This is, what is the angle of the log this time? 5x minus 4. What was the original differentiation of log x? Log, their angle was x. What is the angle here? 5x minus 4. So that is why, what is the differentiation of this you will get? You will get 1 upon the whole angle in the denominator. Like there was 1 by x, na? You can assume it y. So answer will be 1 by y. And what is y I am having? 5x minus 4 into, since it is not single x, so I have to redifferentiate. What is the thing that I have to redifferentiate? 5x minus 4. What is the answer I will get, beta, here? Differentiation of 5x will be what? 5. What is the differentiation of minus 4? 0. So my answer will be 5 upon 5x minus 4. Isn't it easy? Yes or no? Okay, shall I ask the practical question which will, from the differentiation that will come in the NEET or that will come in the real physics? Shall I ask that? How the question can come? Question will be like this: y is equal to a or 5 sine of 20 pi t plus 5. Find dy upon dt. Now here no y and x, here y is there and t is there. You have to find dy by dt. This is the last question, then I will leave the class. If you are able to answer this question, it means you have understood and you will able to apply. This is the real formula. This is the real question which will be utilized in physics based upon differentiation. So here y is depending on whom? T. I have to find dy by dt. Differentiation of y with respect to t. Tell me the answer. What is the answer of this I will get? What is the answer of this? I have to find this dy upon dt. Last question, then I'm leaving. So what is beta? 5 is variable or constant? 5 is constant. Nothing will happen. What is the differentiation of sine? What is the differentiation of sine, beta? Sine differentiation will be cos, and that will be what? Cos 20 pi t plus 5. Now what is the angle of the sine? I have to redifferentiate angle of sine. With respect to whom I am differentiating this time? T. So this will become d by dt. And what is the angle? Whole angle of sine beta is what? 20 pi t plus 5. So what answer I will get? So my dy by dt will be equals to 5 here, then cos into 2 pi t plus 5 into, what is the differentiation of this 20? 20 constant, pi constant. What is the differentiation of t beta? 1. So I will get 20 pi. What is the differentiation of 5? 5 variable or constant? So differentiation of 5 will be 0. So what is the final answer I will get here? My dy by dt here, my dy by dt here will be 20 into 5, how much? 100 pi cos of, oh मैंने गलत लिख दिया यहाँ पे, 20 pi t. It will be 20 pi t. So this will be 20 pi t plus 5. This will be the d by dt. I hope to everyone it is clear. Thank you very much, and see you in the tomorrow's class. Bye bye, take care. Until then, see, this is the final question which will come in the NEET. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you.